Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how we can do the enrichment of vocabulary by using the picture series. So what you can see over here is there are different pictures. A large picture which is laminated, which talks about farm here, and this is something to do with the zoo, and this is on beach, and these are vehicles. So where the whole concept is there about if you take this into consideration, this is with the farm, with the animals, how a farm would look. So it can be anything which can be taken, but only one at a time. It should be lively and has lot many things to learn, and as words, vocabulary. So again here it remains the same. The first part, we are doing it for the parents as well as for the teachers. So the first part remains the same as invitation, then about preparation, then about presentation. So in invitation we call a particular child. When we are taking this, we call particular child. Today we are going to see an interesting picture. Can you call all your friends to the place where you have decided to sit and discuss? Again, this is a group activity. So you can name the children names like will you call Ramesh, Suresh, Vijay, Kirti, Mala, Pranav, Naman. So this is in school. If it is you're doing it at home, you can do it with your child. So the preparation is, once the children gather, give them the ground rules again. The ground rule remains the same, where adult says only adult or a child should be talking at one point of a time. If the child wants to ask any question, the child should raise his or her hand. The third point is, if the adult asks a question to a particular child, only that particular child should answer. With this ground rules, we see that the presentation is started. So hold the picture facing the children. So you hold the picture facing the children, and then you ask a particular child, Ramesh, what do you see in the picture? So the Ramesh, if it is a birthday party picture, the child says, I see a birthday party. If it is about farm, the child says, I see a farm. Ask the children simple familiar questions, then initiate the activity. So it is starting with the familiar questions. Indicate to some objects in the picture and say, do you see this small object here? It's a small jug. Do you have a jug at your home, Suresh? Wait for Suresh to reply. So if you are showing the farm, you can show this is cow, or this is a cycle, tractor. You can point out one particular object and then say, is this there in your house? So this is for a child in the school environment. If it is at home, you can ask the child, do we have? So the second one is, then say, yeah, it's a birthday celebration. We have birthday cake. There is a scenery picture on the wall. There are balloons. You have buntings here. These are gifts kept on this table here. We have juice glasses kept here. This is related with the birthday party. In the same manner, continue to describe the picture. Children's vocabulary is enriched around the birthday party. So if you're talking about farm, then you talk about the trees, the house, you have ducks and swans, you have a bullock cart, then you have a woman, the farm, tractor. So you can point out a milkman with the, so you can point out to different objects and name them. Keep it informal, dynamic and lively and very interesting. After presenting this picture, if the children are interested and you want to continue, say to the children, there are some more pictures, would you like to see them? So if the children say, as we say, because there are some more pictures to see, so would you like to see them? If the children wants to look into the other picture, you can always say as a next day event. So there are some more pictures, we will see it tomorrow. I will invite you again. So you can make it as a next activity. So this is with related to the introducing scenic picture to the child. Earlier we were talking about enrichment of vocabulary, taking the child around the environment and naming the objects and asking the child to go stand near the object or name the object. So this activity can be done for number of days, not only one time. It should be done frequently so that child's vocabulary gets built. Even with the scenic picture, you can take different scenic pictures and keep introducing the pictures inside those scenic picture. So thank you parents, hope you have liked the video and got the idea on how you introduce different words to the child.